The rumors surrounding DJI's latest innovation have taken the drone world by storm. The DJI Avata 360, a potential hybrid that combines full 360 degrees capture with the agility of a dedicated FPV racer. Initially, whispers about the project began circulating last spring, largely dismissed as early prototypes. However, by late autumn, leaks intensified, including promotional imagery, label photos confirming the DJI Avata 360 name, and concept art showcasing a rotatable gimbal with dual spherical lenses. These developments suggest that DJI has been rigorously testing a hybrid rig for months and is positioning the product for a pre-Christmas release. Historical patterns in DJI launches indicate that official teasers often appear just a week before the actual unveiling, which could mean a short trailer is imminent if the company follows its usual strategy. What sets the DJI Avata 360 apart is its dual-mode design, offering two distinct operational experiences in a single aircraft. In 360 degrees mode, the drone utilizes two spherical lenses, one facing upward and one downward, each covering roughly 180 degrees. The feeds from these lenses are processed by onboard AI to create a single 8K 360 degrees video stream, enabling creators to reframe footage in post-production with unprecedented flexibility. The gimbal can then rotate 90 degrees, transforming the drone into a classic stabilized FPV rig. This switch not only delivers the responsive, low-latency flight experience that FPV pilots crave but also protects the lenses when changing modes. For creators, this hybrid design means that one drone can handle both immersive 360 degrees capture and adrenaline-filled FPV flight, eliminating the need to carry multiple aircraft for different filming scenarios. Leaks indicate that each spherical lens is based on a 1-inch class sensor, capturing 4K per lens and producing a stitched 8K 360 degrees video at approximately 50 frames per second. FPV mode, which relies on a single lens, may capture up to 5K at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth footage while maintaining high fidelity. DJI appears to be equipping the Avata 360 with Oak Sync 4 Plus for transmission, offering ultra-low latency and a maximum range of up to 20 kilometers. In 360 degrees mode, obstacle avoidance is reportedly omnidirectional, achieved through a combination of LiDAR, optical sensors, and intelligent use of the cameras themselves. These advancements suggest DJI is aiming for both cinematic capture and enhanced safety, ensuring that the hybrid drone can navigate complex environments with confidence. Battery performance is expected to be solid, with around 25 minutes of flight per battery. The takeoff weight is rumored to be near 400 grams, keeping the craft lightweight while maintaining stability and performance. Internal storage is projected to increase to approximately 128 gigabytes to accommodate the demanding 8K 360 degrees footage. While these specifications make the DJI Avata 360 a potential game-changer for creators, they also imply that operating the drone will require a powerful workstation for editing and post-production, especially for handling high-resolution 360 degrees files. DJI seems poised to offer the Avata 360 in multiple combo packages, following its familiar tiered strategy. The most affordable options are rumored to start around $500, including a basic kit with a single battery and minimal accessories. Mid-tier Fly More style combos could range between $700 and $1,000, offering extra batteries, chargers, and the Goggles N3. Premium packages, featuring the Goggles 3 and Motion Controller 3, may retail between $1,100 and $1,300. Additionally, a separate manual FPV controller for advanced flying may be sold individually for around $200. While these prices are based on leaks rather than official announcements, they provide a useful guideline for prospective buyers planning their budgets. The DJI Avata 360 could appeal to a wide range of creators. For immersive content producers, such as those capturing real estate tours, events, or virtual experiences, the 360 degrees mode offers unprecedented freedom in post-production, allowing the reframing of shots to create dynamic perspectives. FPV pilots will also benefit, as the drone provides a high-quality flight experience and cinematic capture without the need to swap aircraft. The combination of these capabilities makes it a versatile tool that could streamline both production and creative workflow. Despite the excitement, it's important to note that the DJI Avata 360 is unlikely to be a beginner-friendly drone. Flying in FPV mode requires skill, while capturing and editing 8K 360 degrees video demands substantial post-production expertise and hardware. For casual users or newcomers to drone operation, the learning curve may be steep. However, for professional creators or experienced hobbyists, the Avata 360 offers a unique opportunity to combine immersive filming and agile FPV flight in one device, potentially transforming the way aerial content is captured. The hybrid design is not only about performance but also about practicality. The rotating gimbal allows for easy mode switching and protects sensitive lenses, reducing the risk of damage during transport or operation. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system adds an extra layer of safety, particularly when navigating crowded or complex environments. Combined with long-range transmission, robust battery life, and dual-sensor video capture, the DJI Avata 360 looks set to provide both reliability and creative flexibility. The timing of a potential launch is particularly strategic. A pre-Christmas release could position the DJI Avata 360 as a must-have holiday drone, driving high demand and likely leading to rapid sellouts. DJI's pattern of short teasers before official launches suggests that any official reveal could happen within a week of its market debut. This approach builds anticipation while ensuring that prospective buyers are ready to act quickly. Given the features and versatility of the Avata 360, the market response is expected to be significant, particularly among creators seeking both FPV excitement and high-resolution 360-degree content. In terms of editing and workflow, the DJI Avata 360's high-resolution output will require careful planning. 8K 360-degree video files are demanding on storage and processing power, so editors will need capable systems to handle stitching, color grading, and rendering efficiently. The onboard AI-assisted stitching is designed to simplify this process, reducing manual effort while maintaining high-quality results. This feature could prove invaluable for creators producing immersive VR content, panoramic video tours, or complex visual projects where flexibility in post-production is essential. The FPV functionality also deserves attention. By flipping the gimbal, pilots can enjoy a responsive, stabilized feed for traditional FPV flying. This dual-purpose design ensures that creators do not compromise between cinematic capture and agile flight, combining two traditionally separate drone experiences into a single platform. Whether racing through tight spaces or capturing sweeping 360-degree views, the DJI Avata 360 aims to deliver both performance and versatility, redefining expectations for hybrid drones. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be a major leap forward in drone technology. With its dual-mode design, dual sensors, AI-powered 8K 360-degree stitching, responsive FPV capabilities, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and versatile gimbal, it promises a blend of creativity, performance, and safety. Multiple combo packages make it accessible to different budgets and skill levels, while its potential pre-Christmas release positions it as a highly anticipated holiday release. For professional content creators, FPV enthusiasts, and hybrid drone fans alike, the DJI Avata 360 could represent a transformative approach to both aerial filmmaking and immersive video production. Those prepared for the high learning curve and post-production demands may find it to be one of the most versatile and capable drones ever released, offering a truly hybrid experience that merges cinematic quality with adrenaline-fueled FPV flight.